Today we are diving into the Microsoft Word to help you become more efficient and effective with your documents creations. Especially, we will be exploring the ribbon, tabs, and quick access toolbar. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so when you first open the Microsoft Word, so let's start by using or open up the Microsoft Word. And when you want to open it, you are greeted with a powerful set of tools right at your fingertips. So this is the ribbon interface. The ribbon is designed to make it easier to find commands and quickly so you can perform your tasks efficiently. Okay. So the ribbon is long strips at the top of the Word window, and it consists of multiple types. Its content the content is groups of related commands under the tabs. Okay, so for example, the home tab includes commands for the formatting text, such as the font styles, font size, and also the font styles, and also the size colors. So here we have now this one in the ribbon, and here in the ribbon you have the bunch of like the tabs over there, and tabs are like categories that organize commands into the logical groups. So here are some of the main tabs you will use. The first one is the home tab. So this is your go-to for basics formatting options like the bold, italics, or also the bullets, and also the text alignment. Then the next one is the insert. And use these steps to add like the table pictures and links and other objects into your document. And the next one is the layout, and here you can just adjust the pace margin, also orientation sizes, and also the move. And next one is the references. This step is crucial for adding like citations of or bibliography or bibliographics and creating a table of the contents. Okay, and next one is the review, and use this for proofreading tools such as the spell checks and also the track changes. You can easily work with the review for the track changes. Okay, and next one is the view. So, and these steps help you can change the view mode of your documents, like here switching to the read mode, and like here the difference one, and you can have the different settings like the read mode or the enabling grid lines over here there. Okay, now this steps content groups of related comments. Let's look closer at the groups within the home tab. And in the home tab you will see several groups such as the clipboard, and also for hard copy, and also the comments, this one, and these comments, and the font groups. For all text formatting options you can find it to the font groups, and the paragraphs to adjust the alignment or intentions like the spacing over here, and also the styles group. So the quick apply preset formatting styles to your text over here. Then the last one is the editing group, and find the replace and select commands by using from the editing groups. Okay, so each group name is locked at the bottom of the group, and some groups have the small arrow the bottom of the right corners over here, and you can easily find it, and like this arrow to open dialog with more options and related with that group. So here you can easily find over here, this you can find over here. I can just click easily click over and you can get here the options with the different group. Okay, so don't forget to about the quick access toolbar. So it's a great way to keep your most used comment with easy list or easy list. So the quick access toolbar is located at the ribbon. By default, it provides quick access commands you use frequently, like the save, undo, and also the redo. You can customize the toolbar by clicking the small drop down arrow at and the toolbar, and from here you can select the additional command to add, making your workflow even more efficient. Okay, so for example, let's use the open. Now it's enabled with the open with the quick access toolbar. Or if I takes out the new, it takes out the new. Or if I want to show some spelling or print and preview, from here you can easily use, make it the quick access toolbar. Okay, so and there you have it, a quick tour of ribbon and quick access toolbar in Microsoft Word. So this feature designed to streamline your workflow and make it easier to create professional looking documents. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next time.